Good morning, America. This is TNT C4 News, brought to you by Skittles. Taste the rainbow. There is breaking news in Atlanta, Georgia, where a series of very angry-looking storms have ruptured the state into an economic depression. The series of storms included tornadoes, hail, earthquakes, tsunamis, tidal waves. Well, that's a different thing. Orange peels. And a giant rainbow. We turn you to our local, dang it, he's local, this is right there. We turn you to a weatherman, George Jorgensen.
Hey guys, the weather is looking pretty bad this week. Over here, there was a big tornado, like a category 4. And over here in Idaho, where they grow potatoes, there was hail, and there in Canada, there was a thing, and I can't remember. Over here in Atlanta, Georgia, there's a big tornado. And it was bad.
Yes, thank you, George Jorgensen. That was most entertaining. We turn you to our live reporter in Atlanta, Georgia. Fred?
We done.